With the commencement of the year-long birth centenary celebrations of the Bard of Brahmaputra, Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, let's revisit Bhupen Das' enduring legacy and monumental contributions to Indian artistic expression and public consciousness. We have this special report.
Mahabahu Brahmaputra Mahamilanar Tirtha.
The Bard of Brahmaputra, the legend who took Assam to the world stage with his timeless melodies and monumental contributions to artistic expression and public consciousness, is being paid rich tributes today as the year-long celebrations of his birth centenary kicks off. The year-long centenary celebrations began with Assam Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya and State Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma paying tributes to Dr. Hazarika at his memorial in Jalukbari. Addressing the gathering at the occasion, Chief Minister Sharma announced that Dr. Hazarika's memorial would henceforth be known as Saman Kshetra. Dr. Sharma also urged all Bihu committees to ensure that at least one evening should be dedicated to Bhupen Das songs during Bihu celebrations. CM Sharma also informed that a special commemorative coin will be released on the 13th of September in Guwahati in the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in honour of the Huda contour.
On 13th September, Honourable Prime Minister will come and he will participate in a special tribute meeting for Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. State government will also organize special meeting in memory of Dr. Bhupen Hazarika in Arunachal Pradesh, in Meghalaya, in West Bengal, in Mumbai and in Delhi. Reserve Bank of India has also prepared a coin in the fond memory of Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, which will be unveiled by Honorable Prime Minister on 13th September. One of his biography has been written by Dr. Anuradha Sharma Pujari, which will be translated in all major Indian languages, and Government of Assam will ensure that the book reaches every library of this country.
The All Assam Students Union, or the ASU, also paid rich tributes to Dr. Hazarika at the iconic Digli Pukuri in Guwahati. Around 400 artists are performing today at the event during the course of the day. And it was not just Guwahati, but celebrations began across Assam and beyond in honour of the legend.
মৌসুমী তাতে আটি বান্ধিছিল বিশ্বৰ প্ৰাণ সেই গান শেষ হ'ল
সেই নৈ শুকাই গ'ল আকাশী গংগা বিচৰা নাই
Bhupen Hazarika's enduring legacy is a testimony to the deep imprint he has put upon the socio-cultural life of Assam and also of the Northeast to a large extent. His songs based on the themes of communal amity, universal justice and empathy are especially popular among the people of Assam, West Bengal and Bangladesh. He was the first to introduce the culture of folk music of Assam and Northeast India to Hindi cinema. From Dil Hum Hum Kare to O Ganga Behti Ho Kyun,
करे हाहाकार निशब्द सदा ओ गंगा तुम ओ गंगा बहती हो क्यों
Dr. Hazarika's songs stirred emotions of every Indian.
মই এটি যাযাব
As a singer, Hazarika was known for his baritone voice. As a lyricist, he was known for poetic compositions and parables, which touched on themes ranging from romance to social and political commentary, and as a composer for his use of folk music. As Assam celebrates 100 years of Bhupen Hazarika's birth anniversary, his songs, poems and words continue to be etched in the hearts of every Assamese. Today, with Assam and the rest of the country, Northeast Live pays tributes to the Bard of Brahmaputra.
মহামিলনৰ তীৰ্থ কত যুগ ধৰি আহিছে প্ৰকাশী সমন
News Desk, Northeast Live.
মহাবাহু ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ